So if me did hear what happened, me ask if you been here what happened, I hear a circle with the woman we do in the crab shop. Ben tell me something. What does the book of Leviticus says? If it not has scale, it is not supposed to eat. That's the word. If it not have split hoof, and if it doesn't chew the cud, it is not supposed to eat. You ever see crab have scale or true cud or have split hoof? No, man. God Almighty crab never walk front way. Aside where you walk. Then you trust me, I'm that lesson. Yeah, I'm that lesson. Remember, you know, the canker we have fly in the hair and the crab, name the same thing. So why is it that everybody is so caught up about what this woman is doing? How that different from which part they catch the crab from into the first place? Not a difference, Miss Mavis. You ever pass and glance in our pot of crab water when the mako crab? No, you know. See, nothing dirty, hand like our heater happening in that the pot. Anything anybody set on fire fi cook fi serve me, gentleman. If me can look through the water, a half soup. A half soup, and if it's red peas or gungu or chicken foot or beef or none of them now have the color what you see in that day. Water. No, but my Mavis really and truly we can't call down no judgment for the people them because they choose to eat what them eat for whatever reason them choose to eat it. No, me not say no, you know. Me not eat it. But me not tell a man say do not eat it because 7 different brothers, 7 different men and to each him own. You see. That is the truth. So me can't say me have a problem with the people them who eat it. And because of that, I also don't have a problem. Say, people find out, say, them the quality nastiness happen out a road, they make I tell you something. Me not near my road for purpose. But if hungry take me out there, and me I try to save for my life. If me tap, for spend, for me trap pants. And when time me look round, me can say which part you go. Go ease yourself. Me can say which part you wash your hand. Me no see no sextant, me no see no soap, me no see no bleach. And me, I prepare that the food there for me na near me. Well, the lady come on and she did say she had like a bad feeling in her stomach and she drink one hot beer and the salt and then everything just come down upon her. So if you have mercy upon her. No, they're not supposed to have no mercy upon her. Because me understand say Didi can take you anywhere. But unless you're bedridden, or unless you is a little child, everybody learn how to control themselves into the public. That is the truth. And if you know say your bowels is weak, then you can just look after food we sell people. That is a recipe for disaster. People are going to name your food and get all kind of harm. Dysentery. Anatomy and poison, influx, and them there's something. You see? But the same though, you know. When time uno and a road, a chance or not, they could on a life, you know. When time all people are big pudding, I get uno fin people cannot be trusted, you know. When you see a wahita galang sometime underneath them they crawl, what they call fingernail. God almighty. Just fi talk about him, it come up sick. See ma? No, me love. No, not a behind. Me nanny, I'm from people, Sasa. True, Miss Mavis. Then what a way the sorrel fat and pretty me never know say you have strength to farm them your quality garden, yeah, man. No man, remember say me near me food and drink up me soup and drink me bush them right away, you know. Me not have no sickness to that we complain about. Barring the little arthritis pain me have in at the back, but all the same though, you know. I know, yeah, so where I come from, you know? When we used to buy load for go market, a queer over in a pot stomach heat feel money must be go buy him salad and cucumber and them the same thing in a market basket, you know. So and when time we have all 50 pounder market goods. Upon we head we carry it, you know. And walk with 2 foot. For money must come here. You think I say money must hire some? We are walk and we are talk and we are laugh. Sometimes you don't even feel it, sometimes we tap and we help down the basket and we sit down on that tree and nyam to mango or big little water road. But like I tell you something, sometimes it's better if you walk along which part you go. You can go have God with you. Fast true because to say if you help down that the basket they believe you, me gentleman, you can't help your back, you know. So you better you just continue to walk and see if you can reach your destination. Me a come along, you know, Mammy Avis. Yes, me dear. Me, yes, so them a do the manogram down a clinic, so me I try to reach down there. Well, me case and call them because you know, so them a doctor and Anton down a no clinic whole day like a one time. And when you pass up a shop, tell Gladstone shit house, and listen to tell you, say, must come give the cow water because the dry water out, we kill me cow down your ball. Because farmer Saaga send morning straight until he send night a shop place, then spend for them time. Oh, let me tell him. Alright, darling.